good morning. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. It's definitely morning this time. It's definitely cold out there. It's like 50 degrees. So it's not freezing. But I'm going, we got our first little ride of the season, like actual ride. Oiling down all my suspension components here, because if you've ever noticed any squeaking or clicking, which eventually leads to the squeaking, you need to spray your suspension down. Very important on a Vanderhall. Why they don't have components that don't squeak like every other car on the planet, I don't know, but on a Vanderhall, gotta spray that stuff down. I haven't sprayed it down in a while, so figured out how to do that before this long ride. We're going out to Fort Worth, over by Chad's house, Chad and Toothy and Sarah, and I don't have the key to the Vanderhall, can't even get in it and start it, and going to some barbecue place of some kind. That's not the right key. Some barbecue place. I don't know exactly what's so special about it, but Chad wants to go. So I'm meeting up with Hank. I'm actually running a little bit late, so hopefully we can make up some time on the road, and Hank's not waiting on me. But here we go.
Didn't you get one with lines?
Yeah, you can't see it in my floorboard? Yeah, it's just a straight line.
Yeah, that's
yeah, real simple.
Oh my gosh.
Where are Jamie and Billy? I don't know.
So, we're just talking about it. Some of our group here has watched my video about things you should pack in your Vanderhall at all times, and they didn't take my advice on the chair. So I'm the only one that can sit down and wait for this place to open. They all have to stand. Just useful tips on the Texas Oatmeal channel that nobody took advantage of. These people came prepared. People have been here since 9 a.m. I guess, or maybe earlier, waiting in line for this place to open at 11. It better be good. Well, we've made it inside. It's 12:15. We got here at 9:45. Well, Goldie's was good. They still have a line all the way out here into the parking lot.
I ordered it like that off Amazon.
And when we got in there, they were already running out of
If you go look for helmets on Amazon,
ribs. I think we got the last ribs actually. So
low left from the
yeah, it was good. I mean, I don't know if it was worth standing in line for 2.5 hours, but it's good. You know,
It works really good.
barbecue.
It's not approved.
Getting the perfect shot. Look at that. Bending the knees. Got the good stance. The wind's working at his back there, pushing him right along. It's professional right here. So good, so good. He's killing it. Oh, got the good picture of the death track there. Or video, whatever he's doing.
It's a video. We'll throw the
it's a
stratliner
video.
in here. We'll crop in the new Carmel.
Just like that, we're back from another awesome day. Amazing day, awesome day, whatever you want to say. I've already tucked the death track away for the night or the week or whatever. But a pretty fun day. Goldees BBQ. It was good. Don't get me wrong. Definitely good. But was it wait in line for 2.5 hours good? Absolutely not. Sorry, Goldees. Not that you'll ever see this video or you even care about my review, or that anyone watching this is going to make any difference in whether they decide to go to Goldees or not. But skip it if you're thinking about it. Anyways, met some great new people, a new couple that we hadn't seen before in the red Carmel, Jeff and Stacy Edwards. Super cool people. Glad to meet you guys. Everybody had a pretty good time. It was nice seeing everybody. Jamie didn't make it, Jamie or Billy. So, you know, it's okay. We had fun without them. Do want to give a shout out to Hank. You've seen some of his video in this video that I haven't actually edited at the time that I'm speaking to you in this camera right now. But I will use his video that he sent me earlier. Some of his shots are really cool, and it's obviously neat to get a different perspective from just my car. So from him to you guys, a couple shots there that he has gifted me and allowed me to use in this video. So thanks to him for those. And that's gonna be it. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. Just happened. The guy drove off into the gully here. I guess we're gonna see if we can help. I say we. Yeah, hook onto that truck.
We're doing our Sunday Jesus.
And by we helping, I mean they are gonna help.
Watch me, watch me. There you go. That's my dog. There you go.
That was easier than it could have been or should have been.
Between the ditches.
That's mom's fault, right?
We put the meds up in the lines, now we high. Kaleidoscope of colors beaming from our eyes. Would've thought was LSD. Can't lose my mind like Kennedy. You see us cooking recipes. You hit the top, all you left with is the memories. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, go hard to have it is your purpose. We had some faith that who gon' hurt this. I naughty night you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the light.